How to delete your T-Mobile text message history. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to delete your T-Mobile text message history on your phone and online account. I'll show you the steps to safely delete your messages on your device and account. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Delete messages directly on your phone. Open your messaging app on your smartphone. Select the conversation you want to delete, then tap Delete or Trash. Most phones allow you to delete individual messages or entire threads at once. Step 2. Clear messages from T-Mobile web or app. Log into your T-Mobile account via the T-Mobile website or the T-Mobile app. Go to Messages or My Account/Usage/History and find the message logs you want to remove. Some older logs might only be visible online, so checking your account ensures complete deletion. Step 3. Clear saved backups. If your messages are backed up to cloud services like Google Drive or iCloud, delete them there too. Otherwise, deleted messages may reappear when restoring your phone. And Step 4. Restart your device. After deleting, restart your phone to make sure the messaging app and system fully refresh. And that's it! Your T-Mobile text message history should now be cleared. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick phone tips.